Mwebale nnyo genda maaso n'okutwegattako nze Waswa Emmanuel subscribing ku Trust Media Uganda Waswa Emma YouTube channel Beef Organic Access Building ne Brand Shoppers Yugi be powering okubanga we tuli side zeno Gaba Road gye tuzokusisinkana superstar Spice Diana Uganda's finest oli utya obulamu
bulungi.
Okay ndino omukyala Nabs arankulamusiza
kulamusiza Emma n'abatulaba.
Okay that is it.
Yeah.
Mukyala Spice amanya nze Waswa Emma
nze Spice Diana.
Omukyala oyo ye Nabs Ara mukyala munno
bado nnyonnyodde
yes.
Off camera.
Okay so it's a YouTubers ng'omutegedde ekitulese wano tuze on behalf of Uganda YouTubers community obadde ogimanyi jeri egatta ba YouTuber bonna.
Oh okay, I didn't know.
Abasuka mu bitano. Yeah, all of them do YouTube. Nwendanga mwe muri tubatolanga ba YouTube.
Well done.
Yeah. So we are having Ugandan YouTubers Awards. First of its kind. To appreciate YouTubers in Uganda and to promote buli atadde waka ku YouTube.
Okay.
We believe that you're one of those abakoze ebisinga. You have million views on YouTube.
Thank you.
Content at international. You build YouTube. That is it.
Yeah.
So we are requesting you to saba or to kirize to kuteke mu YouTube awards zino.
Chimanyi wageddeko ne management. Ovude kunze sina buzibu as an artist.
Yes.
Naye nange nina abantwala. So when they say yes, I think we're good to go because nange sikirangako nengamba awards zagala. Naye omuntu akutukirira natukirira n'abakutwala. I think chiba kintu kya buvunaanyizibwa. Yeah.
Okay, we already communicated with Roger.
That's great.
Na tugamba tuje tu meeting.
Okay.
Ube ko secondly, nga go mchala. Ka mchala Nabs.
Yes.
Can you ask one question? Kumukola tours and travel media bisolo kusinga.
Okay, I want to ask a general question. I want to ask Fiina what keeps her going. Spice Diana.
What keeps me going?
Yeah, like what keeps you so motivated to never stop?
It's the love that my fans give me. I feel like the love will never die. So because of that love, I feel like Kolenyo have to work harder every day to be better because that's why my fans support me. They want to see a better Spice. The Spice they supported way back 5 years ago to be better. Back supporting or be better, kole more hits or kole concerts from a concert of 1,000 people to a concert of 10,000 to a concert of 40,000 people. I feel like bulifani supporting agala better. So it keeps me going. It keeps me work hard. And remember any negativity that tries to break me or put me down. I think of people that love me and those that believe in me. Meaning no, these people so about disappointing. Let me stay strong. Yeah.
Wow.
So to the girl child, bana banja bali mu YouTube.
Yeah.
They're over 100. Bawala bato bakola content. Can you give them a general advice?
Okay. First of all, YouTube is a job nowadays. You should do it like ngo mulimu gwo. Because I know it pays off nange mfuna akasente so mulimu gonna gukusasula boy nogukola with your whole heart but still think about because content tava mugulu you cannot talk about yourself all the time. You talk about other people. Create content around your friends, around what's happening, the music, a lot of things. But sometimes also think about the people that bojamu content because we've seen so much YouTubers, so much like abantu abasinga bali ku social media, they mind about getting likes and views and they don't think about the lives of the people. We bahatinze bokera nokola story about someone. Do you think yana sigalanga lyoke kale goyisiza ofunye views of bakuwanye but omuntu oyo olowooza omuleso otya because naye aba muntu because we all know entertainment inanywa mawulire like it's the biggest percentage abasinga mawulire bagajja ku entertainment artists but as they come up with stories, they come up with so much negativity than ebirungi abayimbi bebakola. So mu process ne hurting abantu bangi nnyo ne bagenda into depression. Some people are not strong as others. So as you do that, please mind about other people, mind about ebintu bingi, not just okulaba okuza YouTube yo. I feel like you can grow it ngokuza n'abalala. You can, but not just growing yourself as you're leaving others down. Like twekuze wamu fena tukulire wamu. You grow yourself as another person is also growing. When you talk about the good things Spice has done, as tetuganye n'ebibi bibeera bye tukola naye nga bw'oyogera ku kibi make sure you have proof so that omuntu oyo tomulese nga yebuza ate kino nakikoze ddi ate kino you know so tubeere mindful of like omuntu omulala ye alowooza ki ku content gwe tukola.
Should I tell you something?
Yeah.
Manager Roger ye yangambye ekintu ekyo.
Yeah.
Nangamba Emma, we have to build positivity. N'enkigo okuva olwo tetuzimba negativity. So ekyo nakiyigira ku ye. So mbadde nsaba omukyalo Nabsara akuwa akatabo kaffe.
Okay. No, well, I'll go through the book. Yeah. Thank you actually. First of all, thank you for reaching out to me and my management. Like when I talked about this earlier, nalisigeza kukulaga mpisambi obachi, but for a growing country, for a growing industry, I think for not to know about professional, we should think about effort z'abalazi bateekamu. Ngabo jano kuba spice and everything or another artist. You just don't know what they put in. Kati msimanje mvude muze muti wa boda boda bamutu kama mafuta, a lot of things to create your own content. So mutu wakela nakuzanyirako, it feels really bad muchinishwa demo effort yo. So thank you for reaching out. I think before you come up with anything, don't just do for, reach out to people. Buli muimbi gwata demo buli entertainment, any person, personality, media, whatever, reach out to them.
Okay.
They would advise also. You will learn. You oja kusanga byokoze bimo ize. Noka kana badde sikamanyi no kabuka because we all know twina bibuli omu kyamanyi nakye manyi kyotamanyi oyina kyomanyi kyesimanyi so buli omu ayigire ku munne.
Due to time.
Yeah.
Mwe mulwa okusisinga n'aba celebrities mubera nnyo mu bisolo. Capture.
Yes.
One word or two words.
Like you said that you keep going because of the love that your supporters have for you. I just feel like you should not stop. Like you're putting our country to a certain level. Yeah. Yeah, I pray that you keep going. Thank you. So this is a list of YouTubers in Uganda, different categories: food, lifestyle, travel, entertainers, best channels, best.
YouTube has so many things.
So what comes with? Do you have awards? Do you have trips? Do you have offers for the winners and stuff?
Okay. Since I'm doing the PR of this, we are having accolades.
Accolades. Okay.
There are 24 accolades for each category. There are all those ones that see me or see me. There are people who have supported YouTube. People like Mama Fiina.
Oh yes, and he's not a YouTuber, but yes, exactly.
People like Beef and others. That is it.
That's great.
So that's what you're having. It's a Uganda YouTubers community, a very big community there.
But it's a small suggestion. Like for example, nga yalimo into tourism. You can think about getting those winners and get them on a trip. Get to these people have numbers. I'm sure they have numbers. So as you go out there on the trips, you guys create content around that, tourism and everything, and I put it out there.
Wow.
Like that's like you find some of people like Mama Fiina to sponsor this whole thing and be like, okay, trip tugenda jikola for the 5 maybe winners, tugenda batwala everything on us, chija promoting our tourism. It's going to promote them. Chibazamu amani. Maybe omuntu omuwa offer or something omusima. Chimuzamu amani.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
We really appreciate the moment you've given us.
Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving
all
us
the
your
best.
time.
All the best, and thank you for having me on this. If my team is fine, I think we're good to go. I don't have any problem.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Kali. Wow. Okay, so Nabsara, I'm with her. My boss in the Uganda YouTubers community. Finest, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Emma. How are you doing? I'm
okay,
fine.
It's a moment we have come to meet her, Spice Diana.
Yeah, so, I was so happy to meet her. I feel like it's the first time I've met her.
It's just amazing. Watch or get that.
I feel so good.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, we're working on our awards.
Okay.
Get ready to start voting. The link is coming out this week. Yeah, get ready to vote for your get ready to vote for your favorite food, YouTubers, travel, everyone, so many categories.
That is it. This is Nabsara.
And thanks to Emma,
the beast,
for being behind this entire thing,
and
pushing the awards, all the things.
I'm also thanking my leaders in the community. Nabsara, one of the leaders. We're having president. We are having
Mr. Mzinguzi. We have Edge Media. You have Rita.
And all members who are making YouTube to be fun.
And everyone in the group. Angela, Maso Glory, all those people.
Next time.
Nice time. We're still here together.